You've probably seen a lot of people talk about how they make money online with affiliate marketing, but you don't quite understand what it is yet. Well, today we're going to solve that issue because today's topic is, what is affiliate marketing? Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Stephen Horn. I do weekly affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and strategy videos, as well as entrepreneur mindset and social media growth hack. If that sounds like something you will be interested in, then click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Now, in today's video, we're covering what is affiliate marketing, is it hard, and how do you get started. To start, affiliate marketing is a legitimate business structure. It's simply you getting paid for telling somebody about a product or services they was most likely going to buy anyway. Think of it like this. Have you ever told a friend or family member about a new restaurant or a movie you've gone to see, and then they went to go see it as well or tried it out as well? If you were an affiliate marketer, you would have earned a small commission, anywhere between 2% to 100%, depending on what type of affiliate-based commission you're working with and what company you're working with. One of the questions I'm asked the most is affiliate marketing hard? The answer to that question is yes, it is. A lot of people will tell you that it isn't easy, and these are usually people who have been in the affiliate marketing game for quite a while. They already have an established list and they already have an established following. So for them, it is easy. But for someone just getting started, it is going to be a little hard. I know this because I had to start over late last year. I was using a free WordPress blog and I messed up on 2 counts. One, I should have gotten the paid plan as soon as possible, and 2, I wasn't building a list. So when the blog got taken away from me, I essentially had to start all over. I was able to do so very well because I had help from a friend. This friend gave me some really good advice, telling me how she would start all over if she lost everything today and how she would get everything back within 30 days. I used that information to kickstart my own affiliate marketing business. The biggest reason why people fail in affiliate marketing is because they come in thinking it's easy, and no one tells them about the huge learning curve that take down so many affiliate marketers. If, let's say 1,000 people started affiliate marketing a day, 200 people will quit within the first 3 months because they haven't seen any commission. And then more and more people will quit month after month until this time next year only about 50 to 10 people are still trying, with anywhere between 10 and 8 of them making something of any significance. I know that sounds really bad, but affiliate marketing is worth the struggle. Once you earn your first commission, it verifies to you that you can do it. And then you'll keep earning commission day after day until one day you make like $500 in your sleep. And after that 500 in your sleep, you'll start earning more and more and more as you repeat the process that made you your first commission, and then repeat the process that made you that first 500 in your sleep. The sky's the limit with affiliate marketing. The only thing that holds a lot of people back is their mindset. So how does one get started with affiliate marketing? Well, first you want to pick a niche, and then you want to take that niche and narrow it down as far as possible. Let's say I was going into the health and fitness niche. I could narrow that niche all the way down into keto diet. The second thing you should do is start building a list, or at least a following. Remember how I said earlier that people who tell you it's easy usually already have an established list or an established following? Well, you're going to do the same. So first, choose one social media site to start building your list and following on, and learn the ins and outs. You want to establish yourself as an authority figure. If you don't know how to establish yourself as an authority figure, then I leave a link in the description for a book that helped me out when I was trying to regain my affiliate marketing business, and that is expert secret. You'll get a free copy. All you have to do is pay shipping and handling. After you've established a group of at least 1,000 highly responsive followers, then you can head over to places like ClickBank or JVZoo, pick up an affiliate link within your niche, and then share it with your followers. That should make you anywhere between $50 to $500 within one day. And you can continue to do this month after month as you grow your followers to make more commission and more money. If this video has helped you out at all, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you know the next time I drop another video.